Story time. Welcome into today's Story Vault. Today's story is how Pat Monroe, in the 1920s to 1930s era, turned a small town of Quincy, Florida, into millionaires. Pat Monroe noticed during the Great Depression that even the poorest would spend the last nickel on Coca Cola. So Pat Monroe was a banker. So imagine going into the bank and looking to get a loan, and Mr. Monroe would give you a little bit of advice when getting your loan and tell you you should invest in Coke. And you say, "Sure, Mr. Monroe, let me start with an 8-ball." He laughs and says, "Coca-Cola, silly, not Coke." And you say, "Sure, same thing." Well, Mr. Monroe convinced at least 67 people enough to turn into millionaires based off their Coca-Cola investment. This turned Quincy, Florida into the largest largest per capita of millionaires in the United States. Coke has made a lot of people wealthy during the years, such as notable investors like Warren Buffett, who began investing in Coca-Cola in the 1980s, which was the same year as New Coke, which was a wild time to be investing in them. If you manage to invest $1,000 at the same time as Warren Buffett in 1988, your $1,000 investment would turn into $23,000 today, and that's not including the dividend payments. Due to stock splits in 1990, 92, 96, and 2012, your original purchase of 23 shares would be 383 shares of Coca-Cola today. If you're thinking of investing in companies such as Webull, look at our description in the description for our Webull app, where you can get free stocks for signing up today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, invest wisely, and tune into our next Stock Story Vault episode. Thank you.